Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will mix green salad, enamel paint for wood. Green salad is really become a new neutral, working equally well in traditional kitchen. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you. Our client ordered 1 liter of green salad, enamel paint for kitchen cabinet. Let's start by pouring enamel jade green. Then let's add enamel, Hansa yellow. Let's also add enamel white. Stir the paint very well. We are more darker. Let's add enamel white. Let's also add more enamel jade green to reduce the yellowish shade. It's almost the same, just add more enamel white and jade green to reduce the yellowish shade. Alright, just a little more jade green. Yes, it's the same color already. Mixing accomplished. Until next paint mixing tutorial video. Thank you for watching.